Yes, hello, good afternoon, Miss Eka. How are you?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, yes, actually, yeah, this afternoon, yeah, we will discuss about this, Miss Eka. This is about the
Okay,
trending news
okay.
on Wednesday. Yeah, this is Wednesday, November 25th, 2020 at 9 a.m. Yeah, this is from the Jakarta. Okay,
Today.
yeah, this is the
Today.
trending news actually. Okay, so yeah, actually, a long time I don't see you in the class, music actually. Okay,
Yes. Sorry, sir.
okay, so
Because
yes, Miss Eka, can you please read the title? This title,
okay.
please, Miss Eka. Yes,
Uh, Indonesia. I can read for the title, sir. Maybe you can. Okay.
yes,
Indonesia continues talk with US on possible Bio-Farma Pfizer vaccine partnership.
yes. Okay, so do you understand about the meaning, Miss Eka?
Ya,
Yes,
Indonesia melanjutkan pembicaraan dengan Amerika Serikat mengenai kemungkinan Bio Farma dan Pfizer ya partnership vaksin mengenai vaksin apa kerjasama ya?
yes. Bekerja sama, yes. Possible kemungkinan, yes.
Ya.
Okay. That's correct, Miss Eka. Yeah, this is the picture. Yeah, this is in Pfizer company. Yeah, a
Ya.
woman worked within the factory grounds of pharmaceutical company PT Pfizer Indonesia in Pasar Bu, East Jakarta on December 20, 20 and 17. Yeah, this is 3 years ago. Yeah. This picture was actually this picture took 3 years ago. Yeah,
Hmm.
3 years ago. Yeah. Okay, so I will read the first paragraph, Miss Eka. Yeah, this is
Ya.
the Indonesian government is in talk with the United States, yeah, with the United States governments to form a partnership between state-owned pharmaceutical holding firms PT Bio Farma and U.S. company Pfizer Incorporations, Inc. Corporations to develop a COVID-19 vaccine. A state official has said, yeah, this is also the U.S. company, Miss Eka, Pfizer, yeah, U.S. company, United States
Ya.
company. Okay, so okay, I will see. Actually, Miss Ross wants to join the class. Okay, Miss Eka, this is the first paragraph. Meaning is, yeah, the Indonesian government is in talks with the United States governments. Ya. Pembicaraan pemerintah Indonesia dan pemerintahan Amerika Serikat, ya, to form a partnerships, ya, untuk membentuk sebuah partnerships, ya, bekerja sama, partnership, yes, between di antara states owned, ya, pharmaceutical, ya, negara yang memiliki eh, obat-obatan, ya, pharmaceuticals, ya, yang berhubungan dengan obat-obatan, holding firms, ya, yang memegang perusahaan, holding firms yang memegang perusahaan PT Bio Farma, ya, Indonesia is PT Bio Farma and US company Pfizer to develop COVID-19 vaccine. A state official has said, ya, pembicaraan resmi, sebuah pembicaraan resmi negara yang dia katakan. Okay, so I will say greetings to Miss Ross. Hello, Miss Ross. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm good.
Okay, welcome to the class, Miss Ross.
Yes. Hello, Miss Eka. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you, Miss?
Nice to meet you.
Yes, you join with Miss Eka, Miss Ross. Okay, yeah. Okay, actually, yeah, Miss Eka now join with us, Miss Ross. Yeah, actually, Miss Eka, please read the second paragraph, please, Miss Eka. This is,
Okay.
yeah,
Coordinating Maritime Affairs and Investment Minister Luhut Panjaitan said on Tuesday that the U.S. had said that it was willing to help Indonesia on COVID-19 vaccine development.
yes. Okay, okay, Miss Eka, thank you. Yes,
Yeah,
actually, do you
thanks.
understand about the meaning, Miss Eka? What the meaning of this paragraph?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. And Miss Ross, actually, can you help me, Miss Ross, to translate this paragraph, Miss Ross?
Oke, koordinasi urusan maritim dan investigasi. Menteri Investigasi Luhut Panjaitan mengatakan pada hari Selasa bahwa Amerika telah mengatakan bahwa itu sudah direlakan untuk membantu Indonesia pemerintah vaksin COVID-19.
Ya, ya. Apa Miss Eka? Development, pengembangan ya, Miss Eka ya. Ya, pengembangan,
Halo, ya betul. Betul.
ya, pengembangan
Development
vaksin
pengembangan.
COVID-19. Ya. Oke, this is maritime affairs ya, bacanya maritime. Maritime affairs ya, urusan maritim. Coordinating itu artinya yang berhubungan ya. Oke, benar, yang berhubungan dengan urusan maritim. Dan Menteri Investasi ya, investasi Luhut Panjaitan telah mengatakan pada hari Selasa bahwa United States ya, Amerika Serikat telah mengatakan bahwa ya, ini menunjuk ke Amerika Serikat ya, was willing ya, akan membantu Indonesia. Was willing itu artinya udah diniatkan gitu, udah diniatkan untuk membantu Indonesia. Seperti kita bilang insya Allah. Nah, kalau dalam bahasa Inggris kan bilangnya God willing, ya, God willing. Ya, willing itu artinya sesuatu yang udah diniatkan. Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris kan seperti insya Allah, itu kan artinya God willing. Seperti itu. Was willing ya, telah meniatkan gitu to help Indonesia, untuk membantu Indonesia dalam pengembangan vaksin COVID-19. Oke. Ya, saya kira Miss Eka sudah sangat paham dari artinya. Oke.
Oke, sir.
Hanya mempertegas maknanya aja, Miss Eka. Oke, Miss Ross, please read this paragraph, Miss Ross.
Okay, U.S. Vice President Mike Pence and I talked for 15 minutes during my visit to the U.S. about the vaccine, and they are willing to help us with the development, he said during his speech at the 2020 CEO Networking Virtual Event.
Oke, Miss Eka, Vice Presidents, ya, Vice President Pence and I talk for 15 minutes. And this is who is I? Yeah. Yes. This is Ministry Luhut Panjaitan. Yeah, this is. Yeah, and I talked for 15 minutes, yeah, during my visit to the US. Yeah, I think Miss Eka understood, yeah, about the meaning about the vaccine, and they are willing to help us with the development. Yeah, he said during his speech, yeah, dia telah mengatakan selama pidatonya, speech, pidato, yeah, at the 2020 or 2020 C CEO networking virtual event. Ya, CEO networking virtual event, acara virtual yang diselenggarakan secara virtual. Okay, so okay, Miss Eka again, please read this paragraph, Miss Eka. He also said this is.
He also said that Deputy State-owned Enterprise Minister Budi Gunadi Sadikin held discussion with the U.S. Health Secretary Office and the Indonesian Food and Drug Monitoring Agency BPOM to follow up on the talk.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's good. So actually, what is the meaning, Miss Eka? This paragraph.
Ya, dia juga mengatakan bahwa Kementerian
Mm-mm.
Deputy State-owned Enterprises, Kementerian apa nih? Budi Gunadi Sadikin
Yes.
mengadakan
Health,
diskusi
ya.
dengan dengan
Mengadakan
sekretaris
health ini artinya mengadakan diskusi
dengan sekretaris kesehatan US ya, dan Indonesian Food Badan POM ya, to follow up the talk, untuk menindaklanjuti pembicaraan tersebut.
Yes, excellent, Miss Eka. Ya, and the Indonesian Food and Drugs Monitoring, dan monitoring obat-obatan ya, dan makan Indonesia. Oke.
Badan
Dan
monitoring
US ya, oke. US Health Secretaries ya, sekretaris apa ini Miss Eka tadi? Sekretaris
Kantor Sekretaris Kesehatan US.
ya, Kesehatan Amerika Serikat. Ya, kantor Sekretaris Kesehatan ya, Amerika Serikat. Oke, excellent. Ya, and Indonesian Food ya, and Drugs Monitoring Agency ya, atau
Badan Pengawasan Obat
BPOM.
dan Makanan.
Yes, BPOM. What is
Badan
BPOM abbreviation, Miss Eka? Singkatannya apa? The abbreviation of BPOM.
Badan Pengawasan Obat dan Makanan.
Okay, so in English is Indonesian Food and Drugs Monitoring Agency, ya, badan agency. Ya, badan monitoring itu pengawasan, ya, drugs obat and food ya, dan makanan. Oke. To follow up on the talk, ya, untuk memfollow up pada pembicaraan. Oke. That's good. Yeah, so Miss Eka understood already. Yeah, okay. So I will read this. Yeah. We follow up. Yeah, we follow up to the discussion through video call last night to partner Bio Farma with Pfizer on the vaccine development, said Luhut. Yeah, I think Miss Eka understood already, so I will not translate for that. Okay. Okay, still has some paragraphs. Okay, Miss Eka, please read this paragraph again, Miss Eka. Yes.
Okay. Pfizer announced on November 9 that its experimental COVID-19 vaccine, developed along with its German partner BioNTech SA, was more than 90% effective based on initial trial results. It is expected to seek U.S. emergency use authorization this month.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Miss Eka.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah, actually, Miss Eka already understood about the meaning of this paragraph. Yeah, but we need affirmation, penegasan. I need Miss Ross. Please, Miss Ross, help me, Miss Ross, to translate this paragraph.
Pfizer mengumumkan pada tanggal 9 November bahwa eksperimen vaksin COVID-19 dikembangkan bersama dengan partner Jerman, BioNTech. Itu lebih dari 90% efektif berdasarkan
Ya, initial
hasil
trial results. Ya, initial trial results.
awal
Ya, hasil
hasil awal
percobaan
percobaan
inisial.
awal.
Ya, inisial itu identitas. Artinya percobaan yang ditujukan kepada manusia. Ya, oke. Ya,
Itu
maksudnya
diharapkan
oke.
mencari
Ya,
apa ya?
diharapkan untuk mencari US Emergency Use Authorization this month, ya. Untuk mencari atau memburu US Emergency, ya. Use Authorization, autorisasi, ya. eh, Emergency, ya, gawat darurat Amerika Serikat bulan ini. Ya, karena kenapa dibilang seperti ini? Karena Amerika Serikat ini mengalami peledakan COVID-19. Jadinya Amerika Serikat ini terus memburu vaksin itu, ya, dan Pfizer itu dipercaya sudah 90% atau kemarin sudah dibilang lebih dari 90%. Ya, kemarin sudah diumumkan di berita internasional itu 95% efektif, ya, berdasarkan initial trial results, ya, hasil yang sudah inisial, ya, percobaan ke manusia itu, ya, sudah menunjukkan hasilnya sudah 95% seperti itu. Ya, makanya itu terus didesak, ya, diharapkan atau diburu, ya. Ya, diburu untuk memberikan autorisasi, ya, gawat darurat Amerika Serikat, ya, bulan ini. Ya, autorisasi itu kewenangan, ya, kewenangan. Oke. Yes. Okay, thank you, Miss Ross. That's already good. Yeah, thank you for helping me, Miss Ross. Okay, so I will read this paragraph. Okay. In the in the meantime, ya, ya. In the meantime, Budi said during the same event, ya, event ada T-nya, ya. Event ini artinya acara kalau ada T-nya. Tetapi ya ada event dalam bahasa Inggris itu yang enggak ada T, event aja. Itu artinya bahkan, ya, event. Ya, even talk, ya, even more, ya, bahkan lagi, even. Tapi kalau event ada T-nya, ya, event that's the government, ya, bahwa pemerintah had contracted 7 to 8 pharmaceutical companies on the World Health Organization list approved, ya, of approved vaccine developers. Oke. Ya, in the in the main times, ya, ya, artinya maksudnya intinya di main times. Apa artinya Miss Ross main times ini, Miss Ross? Main times, what is the meaning, Miss Ross?
Sementara itu
Di awal, ya, di awal gitu kan? Iya, ya. Artinya apa, Miss Ross, tadi saya nggak begitu dengar.
sementara itu
Ya, bisa. Sementara itu, ya, in the meantime, Budi said during the same event that the government has contracted, ya, Miss Eka understood, I think. Ya, oke, ya, dalam on the World Health Organization list, ya, daftar World Health Organisasi yang disetujui, ya, of approved vaccine, ya, vaksin yang disetujui oleh pengembang. Oke. Nah, jadi Budi telah mengatakan dalam selama waktu yang sama, ya, hal yang sama, bahwa pemerintah telah mengontrak 7 sampai 8 perusahaan obat-obatan pada WHO, ya, daftar WHO yang telah disetujui, ya, vaksin yang telah disetujui oleh pengembang, ya, developers, ya, pengembang. Oke, jadi pemerintah sudah mengontrak 7 sampai 8 perusahaan vaksin. Oke, so continue. Miss Ross, can you please read this paragraph, Miss Ross? We have formally, yeah.
Okay, we have formally contacted them so we can have option to decide which vaccine is the most suitable for us, he said.
Yes. And once again, then Miss Eka will read the last paragraph. Okay, one paragraph again, Miss Ross.
In in addition to pursuing the bilateral partnership, Indonesia is also utilizing a multilateral approach to find the best COVID-19 vaccine by participating in organizations such as the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation or CEPI and the Global Alliances for Vaccines and Immunizations or GAVI.
Okay. Okay, so that's good. Excellent. Okay, Miss Ross, thank you. Yeah. We have formally contracted. Yeah. What is the meaning, Miss Eka? This is we have formally contracted.
Secara formal,
Yes.
secara formal mengontak mereka.
I'm sorry, I don't hear your voice, Miss Eka.
Secara formalitas
Yes.
sudah mengontak mereka.
Yeah.
Jadi kita memiliki option atau pilihan untuk
Mm.
memutuskan vaksin mana yang paling cocok untuk kita. Gitu ya?
Okay. Excellent. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Excellent, Miss Eka. That was the meaning. Okay, so understood. Okay, I will make explanation, ya, penjelasan for this paragraph. Ya, even Miss Eka, ya, meskipun ya, even Miss Eka understood about this paragraph, but we will discuss. Okay. In additions, ya, dalam penambahan to pursuing, ya, untuk merayu. Ya, pursuing itu merayu. Ya, pursuing, ya, merayu. The bilateral partnerships, ya, kerjasama bilateral antar negara, ya, kerjasama antar negara. Indonesia is also utilizing a multilaterals, ya. Also utilizing artinya itu mampu, gitu. A multilaterals, ya, artinya berbagai negara, ya, multilaterals. Multilaterals ini artinya berbagai negara. Approach, ya, pendekatan to find the best COVID-19 vaccines, ya, untuk menemukan COVID-19 vaksin yang terbaik, ya, by participating, ya, dengan menjadi anggota, gitu, participating itu menjadi anggota in organization, ya, di organisasi SAKAS, ya, seperti the Coalition of Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, ya, Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation, CEPI, ya, koalisi, ya, epidemics, ya, preparedness, persiapan, ya, innovation, inovasi, ya, untuk epidemics, ya. Koalisi itu penggabungan, ya, koalisi itu perhimpunan atau penggabungan. Okay. And the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization, GAVI. Alliance ini artinya sekutu, ya, sekutu global for vaccine immunization, ya, untuk vaksin dan immunization, ya, dan kekebalan, ya, immunizations. Okay, so this was good, Miss Eka. Okay, so Miss Eka, please read the last paragraph, Miss Eka.
Indonesia saw 4,192 new cases on Tuesday, official data show, putting the country's total number of infections at more than 500,000, 6,300, with a death toll of 16,111.
Yes, excellent Miss Eka. Ya,
Mhm.
ya 500 ya. Ya kadang kita bingung kalau seperti ini ya. Kita bacanya 500 dulu aja misalnya 500, thousand-nya hanya satu di sini. Jadi
Oke,
500, 6000,
6,000.
ya
Oke,
500, 6000, 300, ya, ya 500, 6300, ya. Okay, with a total of 16, yeah, 16,111. Okay. So what is the meaning actually, Miss Eka, of this paragraph?
uh, Indonesia melihat 4.192 kasus baru
Yes.
di hari Selasa.
Yeah.
Official death show. Apa tuh official death show? Eh, data yang ditunjukkan ya saat ini ya. Putting the country apa ya?
I'm sorry, Miss Eka.
Putting the country.
Putting menaruh, ya
Oh
atau
iya.
menempatkan, ya putting menempatkan,
Menetapkan
ya
menetapkan total number.
ya jumlah, total numbers artinya jumlah. Ya. Oke, Miss Eka. Of infection at more than disease already finished. So, okay. Yeah, hello Miss Eka.
Halo sir.
Yeah, has the connection problem?
Oke.
Okay, the internet connections problem. Yeah, because it's raining, Miss Eka. It's raining
Oke.
heavily. Yeah, hujan deras. Yeah, raining heavily. Okay. So continue again, Miss Eka. This is total number.
Oke. Indonesia melihat 4.192
Yes.
kasus baru di hari Selasa. Official data menunjukkan bahwa total putting the country apa ya?
Yes.
Bahwa total keseluruhan yang terinfeksi
More
lebih
than,
dari
yes,
500
lebih dari, this is,
lebih dari
yeah.
506.300 dengan kematian 16.111.
Yes. What is the meaning of Detol, Miss Eka?
Detol itu meninggal atau kematian gitu ya?
Korban
Korban
meninggal.
ya, korban meninggal.
Yes.
Ya.
Korban meninggal. Ya,
Ya,
excellent. Korban meninggal. Ya, dengan korban meninggal. Ya. Detol, ya, jumlah korban meninggal.
Detol.
Ya, 16, ya, 16.111. Okay. Yeah, that's the meaning, Miss Eka. So actually, do you understand, Miss Eka, about this meaning of this paragraph?
Yes, sir.
What the purpose? Okay. So you understood
Okay.
already. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, actually, yeah, we got the conclusions already. Yeah.
Yes.
So actually, Miss Eka, what is your conclusion in this news? Actually, for this news, what is the conclusion, Miss Eka?
The conclusion is Indonesia talk with U.S. government about the partnership company pharmaceutical from Biofarm and Pfizer to develop of a COVID-19 vaccine, and it was willing to help Indonesia on COVID-19 vaccine development. And then BPOM was follow up for this case. And Mr. Budi Ministry of apa gitu ya tadi already contact for 7 or 8 companies who get approval from WHO about the vaccine developed.
Yes. Yes, that was the conclusions, Miss Eka. Okay, that was correct. Okay, thank you, Miss Eka, yeah, for the
You're
conclusions. Yeah, and that the conclusion, Miss Eka, that's good. Yeah, so yeah, this is because yeah, increase of COVID-19
yes,
victims as
correct.
well in the some
Yes,
countries in the world. So they hurry ups, yeah, for the vaccines, yeah, buru-buru, yeah,
yes,
and they, yeah, actually six of the, yeah, this is six to six the vaccine, yeah, six memburu,
yes.
yeah. Okay, okay, thank you, Miss Eka. So actually, Miss
You're
Ross,
welcome.
yeah,
Yes,
actually, do you still remember about Miss Eka, Miss Ross? Do you still remember about her?
Eka. Mm,
Yeah,
I don't remember.
yeah, actually, you joined the class already with Miss Eka. Yeah, in the some, yeah, some meetings, yeah, some meeting class, yeah, the few
Mhm.
meeting class before. Okay, Miss Eka lives in Bogor, yeah, in
Oh,
Bogor.
in same city with you.
Yeah, and also Miss Tiska. Actually, Miss Eka is the elder sister, yeah, Miss Tiska elder sister, Miss
Mm.
Ross. Yeah. So do you want ask something, Miss Ross, about Bogor? Yeah, anything about Bogor, about culinary or something? Do you want to ask?
Yes, you can tell me about Bogor
Yes,
because
you
I
can
have
ask to Miss Eka. Yeah.
never visit to Bogor.
Hah? Gimana?
Yes, you
Halo?
can tell me about Bogor anyway because I have never visit Bogor to Bogor. I mean,
Bogor is rain city, and as usually in month of September until December, we have a rain day, and today is rain. Yeah, Mr. Mustafa, yeah, hard rain.
okay. And
And
what do
if
you?
you want, yeah,
Okay, continue.
maybe if you want to go to Bogor, maybe you can contact me. I will apa ya, mengajak itu apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya ya?
I'm sorry, Miss Eka.
Invite.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not focus. Sorry, I will apa ya? I will invite you to Bogor, and I will
Menjemput. Yeah, pick up.
Yes,
Mas
thank
buat
you. I wish one day I will visit to your city. Inshallah. And what is the famous food in Bogor? I mean, anyway,
famous
famous food.
famous food apa ya?
Bogor,
Maybe
Miss
famous
Eka. Is that
is
like Siome or
no,
Batagor?
no siomay. No. Batagor from Bandung, sir. I think the famous food from Bogor is asinan Bogor ya, roti
Oh,
unyil.
wow.
Okay.
And then?
Yeah. Okay. So next time, Miss Ross will visit to Bogor. Yeah, and yeah, we'll
Yeah.
try some Bogor culinary. Yeah. Okay. Nasi is okay.
And Miss Ros, you live in Palembang ya?
Yes.
Oh, PMP Palembang ya?
Yeah, it's the most food in Palembang.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I have neighbor. The, they are many from Palembang too.
Mm. And I can also make empe anyway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so next time when
It's
Miss
easy.
Eka visit to Palembang, yeah, Miss Ross will pick you up. Yeah, will pick you up.
Yes, why not?
Yeah, take around, yeah, take going around, diajak keliling-keliling, going around about Palembang and culinary to the bridge of Palembang. What's name, Miss Ross? The bridge
Ampera,
of Palembang, jembatan
Ampera Bridge, Jembatan
Ampera
Ampera.
Bridge, yeah, jembatan Ampera,
Yeah.
Miss Eka. Yeah, so next time, yeah, probably. Yeah, because we have Miss Eka can be have friends with some participants also. Yeah, so next time we don't know. Yeah, if you are in Palembang next time, Miss Eka, you can contact to.
Oh no, I have been visit Palembang is about 7 years ago because
Oh,
Long time ago.
Lemah Bang ya, Lemah Bang ya.
Lemabang. Oh,
Yes,
Lemabang.
and where is my company is Dexa Medica. It's about
There is
7 years ago.
a river.
Yes,
There's a river under the bridge, Ampera Bridge, right?
yes,
It's so
correct.
beautiful.
Yes. So next time, next time again, yeah, Miss Eka can visit to
Inshallah.
Palembang.
Oh, 7 years ago.
Yeah, and even Miss Ross visit to Bogor, you can meet Miss Eka next
Yes.
time. Yeah. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, yeah, so next time, Miss Eka, you can have conversation again with Miss Ross. Yeah,
Okay.
and also
Okay.
Miss
Yeah.
Ross. Yeah, thank you, Miss Eka, for the class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Miss Rose.
Yes, nice to meet you, Miss Eka.
Yeah,
Nice to
have a
meet
nice day, Miss Eka. Okay,
Yeah.
see you
you,
in the next
sir.
class. Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam.